I can recommend. Okay, so we are live. Welcome back to the stream. Um, it's been a while when I'm not doing anything about training or things like this. It was a hard part of my life, and right now I think I can continue trading and live streaming trading um, from now. If something is about to change, I'm going to tell you guys. Alright, so everything is fine right now. So I started trading on MetaTrader 4 and to analyze the charts too here because I don't see the relevance to try using another platform to analyze your charts when the only platform you know is that one on your trading at. Um, so let's start with gold on daily time frame. So right now on the daily time frame we can see that we left an area right here, a rejection area. Okay, we can see these rejection right here, and obviously daily candle move into that area and rejected so hard on lower time frames. We can see that on 5 minutes it got a little range right here and then rejected. Okay, and right now okay, let's talk about the daily candles right here. All right, so we can see that we have a drop right here on gold, which is a downtrend. So we can see that there's a downtrend right now. Um, the thing is that obviously we are in a huge downtrend right here, and all I see right now it's like a bit of correction. Okay, so if you are looking at this downtrend right here, we can see that here we got a low, we have a low, and at that point we just touch many times this low right here. And if you are taking a very good and close look right here, we can see that we got many rejection in this area right here. We got um, more confidence to wait and to want to enter in a long position for the long term. But what about the short term? So let's take a look on 4-hour candle right now and see what happens. So what happened on 1 hour? We have 1 hour left for this 4-hour candle to close. And actually right now we are here at this resistance area. We can consider it a resistance area right now, and we have something difficult. We got some issues to break through this resistance. So let's take a look on lower time frames. Okay, let's drop on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so 1 hour, it's a huge bullish candle right here. We got a start of the new hour, which is a bullish one. We took this high right now, so we want to see a pullback before the flight of this candle, we want to see a pullback. We can clearly see that this area right here was left with a 30-minute candle. So with a 30-minute candle, we left this area right now. But I gotta see, we have so much volume right now. So probably I will enter in a position, but the stop at that point will be huge, will be around 70 pips. So there is no way that we can enter in this trade right now. Okay, so let's analyze it again, and probably we're gonna enter in it lately. All right, so we said that we got this resistance area right here. We are not closing above it. Actually, right now we are not closing above it even on 1 hour time frame. Okay, we got a rejection. We don't have a wick right here, but we know that right now we got this push of 18 pips. We got this push, and we know that it's enough range for us to continue up. All right, so on 4 hour time frame, we can left this area right here, which is a support area. We can left it with a very cool big bullish candle, which indicates us that bulls are so strong and we can continue moving up from that point right here. So once again, on 4 hour, we want the candle close above 1759, and probably the first target after it will be this right here at 1769.40 or something like this, and then probably 1778. Okay, so we got a very big range right here to so many pips to catch, actually so many pips to catch, and we don't have a wick right here, which is so cool. Like we have 24 pips but with no wick at the bottom, and this is pretty cool that we can come back in this area for real. Alright, so right now on 1 hour is the same discussion. We got this area that we left, and we don't have a candle to showing us that there is we don't have a week to show us that there is even a range to go back and probably check the price below 70.59. And most of the times we know that a candle who don't have a wick down, it can make one on lower time frames. So this is why right now we see on the higher time frame we got so bullish candles. We got bullish candle on 4 hour. We flip the daily candle almost in a bullish candle. 1 hour candle it's so bullish. 30-minute candle is bullish. 50-minute candles are bullish. So at that point, what we can do is to wait for the institution to drive price back at this range right here, at this area right here, at this huge good area right here, where we can buy with them even better, because no institution will buy right now, because who will buy that high? Okay, we are so high right now. We are so high right now, and they need to buy at the best price. We don't make the rules, they make them. So we have to wait for them to drive this price back and probably buy then. But right now we are so high that we can't even imagine, and we are waiting right now. The best thing we can do, I mean I can do right now, is to wait the price to come back and to form such a support area. Maybe at that point right here, maybe we can form a support right here. We don't know. We need 1 more hour. I mean, no, actually we need almost like three more hours for this 4 hour candle to close above here. before that we don't know where this 4 hour will close, but what we can anticipate is that we know this is a resistance on higher time frames right now. If we are taking a look at the back right here, okay, we know it's a good resistance, and right here too. Okay, so we got this right now, right here, this right here, boom. So at that point, what we can do, and the best thing we can do, is to wait for a support to form, and the best area for a support to form is this area right here. At that point, this is the best area, and this is the best zone for a support. But with volume, that we have volume right now, it just flew up just before, I mean, in the first moment of the 1 hour start. So one of the reason that I didn't enter in this trade was that we flew in the first seconds of 1 hour, so it's like 5 minutes uh, until the like after the candle starts, and we just flew around 30 pips, which is so high, okay? And this is why I want right now to wait for a better entry, for a better candle pattern to enter in this trade, okay? So all candles look bullish, and we need to wait the best opportunity. Probably the best entry can be on 5 minutes, because the market is so volatile right now, and we can see a good pattern on 5 minutes time frame. But also 5 minutes time frame, it's a very very low. I mean, we can't trust the 5 minutes, because it's so low on confirmation right now, and it's not that good, because probably the 1 hour can flip back bearish, and then we will not, the 5 minute structure will be breaking up, like will not be valid anymore. So yeah, we have to wait and see what's about to happen. Also, we don't have news at 5 o'clock. We got some news for, actually we have some news on CAD here, okay? So we got positive news for Canadian dollar right here. Was positive numbers. So yeah, probably this will, I don't know. I'm so low on the fundamentals right now. I don't know more. I'm just looking on Forest Factory, and if I see good numbers, that mean good, and if I see bad numbers, that mean bad. Um, Actually, and probably, and what I'm thinking right now is it's just my opinion. It was so cool for Canadian dollars, so we got good numbers for Canadian dollars, BMY, and probably the US dollar went down, and this is why the gold flew up like this. So yeah, my mistake right now was that I didn't looking I don't look at the news to probably, I don't know, to probably anticipate these moves, these huge moves right here on gold. But this is not a problem. We have many opportunities left today, and if we are not, we have tomorrow. Tomorrow we have NFP, such a good times for account blowing. Okay, we can blow our account. That will be pretty cool. Nice. Yeah. So right now we have to wait. Okay, we have to wait for a better structure. It pushed so hard. It pushed so hard. We taking up some highs right here on daily time frame. We can see we take this high, and probably we can left this area we can left it so easy, but we have to wait probably the next week or probably tomorrow at NFP, because we have a very strong bullish candle last week on gold right here. So we got a very bullish candle right here from a very strong support rejection right here, and the best thing that can happen right now is to respect this structure right here and just flew up probably at the news, but we don't know. Okay, what we know is how much we can lose right now, how much we can afford to lose right now, and yeah, probably will not blowing our accounts, as I said earlier. Okay, so pretty cool. It's pretty good right now. Lovely push right here. um, I don't see anything that will drive this gold back up in this range right here. I mean, in this range right here, I don't see anything at a point. uh, yeah, it's pretty cool. As I said, we need a um, better structure to entry right now at that point probably, and the best one will be right here at, excuse me, 70.58, 75 or something like this. uh, Here I want to see um, some moves, to be honest. Right now what we can do is to wait and to not fucking entry, because it's not that cool to enter in the top of the move. It's actually a pretty bad idea. Okay, let's see. I wanted uh, this color to be dark, like not that. It's like I don't like this gray, stunning gray now. It's so up. Let's customize it. Let's see right here. Okay, yeah, probably it's pretty good right now. Let's see. Let's right here gray. Nope, gotta customize it again. Let me check this first. Okay. Alright, 76 all over. Okay, let's see, 76 all over. So we gotta customize it again. Customize. Let's see, how did we got? Probably, I don't know, 76 here. 76 and 76. Yeah, this is the color. I did a customize and okay. Alright, so good. Okay, so right now we are waiting for this pattern to happen, and if it's not happen, it's okay. We can easily see many moves on the next week. To be honest, this week wasn't pretty good for me. I got this 500 bucks account, and the last week wasn't so great. Like, let me check. Let's go for the Monday. Okay, I'm down 90 bucks and 21.80 with the commissions I got on GJ. Yeah, this is what I have. A lot of big losses, well, and some big wins, but overall it was a negative week. Yeah, it's the first negative week in 2 months from now, and the start of October it's pretty bad, to be honest, but nah, I'm okay. Okay, probably let's see right here if we can break through this area and goes up on lower time frames right here. Let's see if we can do this. Can we or cannot? Let's see. Yep, they're so bearish right now. So we see some it's like a strong area right here at the top of these candles. Also, if we break on 1 hour right here on this level, about around 1762.90 or 7063, we have clean area until this point right here. It's around 30 pips, so we have a clean area 7066, which is pretty cool. It's pretty cool, yes. But right now we are waiting. We are waiting for the candles to show us and tell us what to do for real, what to do right now. What can we do? Should we wait or should we enter because it's a retracement? Let's go sell it. No way. We can't sell when all candles are bullish. We can't sell. It's a stupid idea. So right now, let's just wait. Let's just sit back. Let's analyze another chart. Okay, let's go for GJ. Let's go for GJ. Let's analyze GJ. All right. Let's analyze GJ going from weekly time frame to see what happened on GJ. I took some like less trades on GJ, and for the last 2 months I've been negative on GJ and positive on gold, which is wow for me because until now I got many trades on GJ and went pretty good, but you know, times change and we have to change with time, and this happened right now. All right, so actually don't break. Okay, we form right here such a support. Okay, on weekly we can see we are so bullish this week on GJ. Actually got this little correction right here. It's a little correction right here, and we can see that we broke this correction right here. We are in a huge uptrend right now, and this is pretty cool. Like, we can continue moving up. We see right here we have this rejection. Okay, so this rejection, it's a huge one. This can be the target for us until here. Yeah, this can be a good target for long term. It's pretty cool, but also keep in mind that we have a rejection area all over this area right here on higher time frames. So if I keep in mind that we have a rejection area right here on higher time frames, sorry, we should keep in mind that we almost touch it. So let's see what happened on short time frames, on lower time frames, because we are scalpers. We do scalps. We don't took too long trades. All right, so let's go on daily. Let's drop on daily and see that the last 1, 2, 3, 4, the last days on GJ went pretty bullish, and right now we approach these resistance right here. Yeah, it's a pretty bad resistance. I can say that right here. Yeah, we got this resistance, and what I can see even more on GJ is this pattern right here. This is the pattern that I can trade every time because it's my favorite one. It's like in a bullish momentum right here. We can see the bullish momentum. We also can see the support form right here. It didn't take its lows, its own low, okay, on this. I mean the last daily candle low, it didn't take it. And right now we are continue moving up. So at the first time it can break up right here, which is the last high. We got clean traffic probably until this area right here. But also we have to keep in mind, yeah, of course we can look just for this candle right here or this candle right here. But also keep in mind that if you're looking closer to you, this is so like this is around 10 June 2021, so it's so far away. Let's see it. Let's look at the weeks. Okay, so we have this week right here. We have this week right here. Okay, so these can be the our targets, and these clean candles right here to the downside can be our last target. Okay, so let's keep in mind this and and analyze and watch. So let's go for this week, like right here, to be our target. Okay, let's drop on 4 hour. Okay, so 4 hour. What's our bias on 4 hour? Okay, so right now we can see we move up. Okay, we have this support right here. Okay, which have been break so hard. We have also the price, it came right here. Okay, it's 151,800, so it's a pretty good price. What can be our first targets? Well, our first targets can be right here. I mean right here when this clean candle will be filled. Okay, so this can be our first target. Let's drop down right now. Actually this is a 20 pip candle. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's drop down on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour right here. 1 hour is so cool. Okay, we got clean traffic down here. Okay, we got 1 hour bullish. Let's see on 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes just break it. Okay, cool, it just break it. Let's see 50 minutes. 50 minutes it's so bullish. It breaks its own high right here, and we continue moving up. It's so cool that we break. You can look here and see that we break this high right here, and actually we have good clean area until here. So this can be a pretty good trade. It's like 20 pips trade, and with volume it can push up. But right now I'm looking for an entry around this area right here after the break and the close above this area right here. I want to target this week, which is a daily week here. This is the daily week that we're talking about earlier. Okay, this one, this is the week, this is the target that we want after the break of this target. Okay, so let's move our line here and let's analyze more. Okay, so let's see. 4 hour, it's so bullish, pretty cool. 1 hour, it's so cool. Yeah, fine, good trade right here. Take your pips, sit down, you're so good. Okay, but what if we can take right here? We got 40 pips, not so much, but it looks better and safer for me, because on the left hand side we have this huge momentum and huge candles right here. We can get the almost 60 pips if we can let the runner runs, and it will be pretty cool, huh? And actually it's a good trade right now, because on this range right here we have clean traffic at that point, which is pretty cool. Yeah, but if we miss the move, we can re-enter it even higher. So we got tomorrow with news, we got volatility, and we can easily catch some pips right here. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking about GG right now. It's so bullish. Probably if it can close above it on one minute, around 10 seconds. If in 10 seconds it closed somewhere like here, we can enter in this trade. I mean, it can be like 15 pips. It's okay for me, but I'm not going entry on DJ. I'm going to entry on gold right here. So we see right now the pattern that we are talking about. Okay, one candle don't mean a moving direction, but Right now we drive back up. We missed a little bit of this move right here, and yeah, it almost said goodbye. But let's see if we can come back. The 3 minutes about to close so bullish, and we can get a cool stop around here. It's like from now it's around 30 pips. Yeah, not that bad. Let's see how this 1 minute candle will close in 10 seconds. Okay, so it flips bullish. Yeah, for me it's enough. 30 pips. Let's get in this trade. Okay, I'm in this trade. Let's see. Okay, it drives back up. All right. So well, it's not that bad. Let's cut 50% right here because it closed like shit. The 1 minute time frame closed like shit. Let's cut some of the position right now because we want this trade to be around here to take an entry around here because 1 hour almost taken like it doesn't have a week, so we are looking for this 1 hour to have a week. Okay, so let's see how the 5 minutes is going to move. Actually, probably it make this week right here for the drop even more. So let's minimize this loss with even more cut. This is a safer stop right here. We got around €3 loss. This is so low on money. We can afford this. We entered even higher right here. We should wait. I mean, I should wait to enter right there, but it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. We enter and we manage our risk. It's like so low on risk right now. We pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. So we are waiting for this 1 hour to making a low right here, making a lower wick, and probably to re-entry in this trade, in this buy trade, because it's so cool. When I first started trading, I was like, man, I will enter in like maximum 2 position a day, maximum 2 trades a day, and I don't know. This is just frustrating me a lot because if I messed up with a move like this one, if I messed up with a move like this one, I'll be so disappointing. Like, man, I do the wrong thing. I don't like it. It's not good. I'm not a good trader and things like that. But in reality, I have just to wait and see that, man, if you are risk less on your position, it's pretty cool to and nice to enter in many trades if you can assume you're trading like your trading account, okay, and your risk and minimize your risk even more. So right now at that point, I'm okay to lose like, I don't know, maybe €20 for this account. Actually, today I just entered in another trade. Let me check for today. I entered in some trades. I got something like €4, sorry, €4 loss. And right now it's pretty cool. Like the lows are so small, like 0.47, 0.09, 128, 344. It's so lost. It's so low on loss. Like it's pretty cool. And with this one, I got €8 loss. It's pretty low. So I'm not like I'm okay. I'm pretty okay with a loss right now. All right. Oh, GJ goes up right here. Exactly what I say. Like, um, from here, if you enter in the trade right here, the stop can be now probably even you can moving up. Like it's okay. 30-minute close so bullish, which is pretty good. On gold we close bullish with a huge wick right here. Let's see. Okay, I don't like the way it closed. Probably the 1 hour will make the low. This is why I'm just holding the position right now, because I don't know where this 1 hour will go, but I'm sure that this 1 hour will make a low right here. I don't know how far it can go, but I place my stop below this resistance area right here. I just hope that it won't be so high to put it, but we'll see. We will see. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Probably I don't know, but I feel like right here will be the the drop. So I'll close this position right here. It wasn't a bad, okay, it was a bad position, but I'm pretty sure that we will make a good decision lately. Yep. All right, let's try to mute this a bit. I don't know how to do this. Yeah, probably this right here. Okay, so we are back. Um, I hope it's okay. All right, so let's see right now. We make these week right here, and let's see where it goes right now. Um, we need like a candle closure right here. Probably it made these rejection in our area right here. We have to wait. It's pretty interesting right now. The way it moves, the 30 minutes shows me. I've seen many times this thing. It can flew up right now, but we have to wait. Like a candle doesn't mean it will turn bullish or bearish or things like this. Let's wait. We have to have the discipline to wait here. Probably let's see best based on lower time frames. We have these candles right here. Okay, we also have this push up right here. Okay, we pushed up. Now it starts going down. So it's pretty much like a lower and lower high on lower time frames. So right now it made these. Okay, so let's see if we can break through these. Okay, the 5 minute close bullish. Let's see if we can break through them and then continue moving up even more. The news are for us like there are good news. The best thing we can do right now is to wait for the 15-minute candle to close in a bullish direction and to be bullish. Right here, as you can see right here, we got this rejection and this area. Okay, all right, let me destroy this. Okay, right, this area right here, this is what I'm talking about. We have to wait for a 50-minute candle to close above it so that we can put our stop below this. So it's pretty cool to be below this level. Okay, 1 hour can continue moving up in the next 15 minutes of the hour, and the 15-minute candle, as I said, it can goes up. All we have to do right now is to wait, and probably if we don't take this low on 5 minutes and taking up this high, probably there I'm going to enter in a position. It's like 26, 20, 28 pips move. To be honest, it will be higher. It will be around 0.1 lots right here. Yeah, pretty cool. On 50 minutes we take this low, but one candle doesn't mean the swap of the trend. Okay, so right now we have consolidation right here. It's pretty okay. We have consolidation. We have to wait. We have to wait for this to to break somewhere through, or I don't know, upside or downside. Let's change it gold. Nah, oh my god, my eyes. Let's go for on orange, dark orange. What the fuck? Can we go without? Alright, parameters don't fill them. Yeah, okay, pretty cool. Alright, so now we can make it orange. Yeah, okay, orange. Let's change some, like this thing right here. Pretty cool right now, nice. Okay, change the color again. I don't like it. Alright, red is perfect. Red's perfect for a range that we don't want to be in. So we don't want to be in this range right here. Let's see how it reacts to. 2 minutes for this candle to close, for this 5-minute candle to close. Yeah, we see these bullish things right here on 1 minute time frame. 15 minutes have 7 more minutes to close. 30-minute time frame, it's pretty cool, pretty bullish. Yeah, we close with this week 30 minutes, but it's pretty cool. 1 hour make it low, and with volume we can move up. We have to wait right now. At that point we have to wait. Okay, let's take a look at GJ. Pretty cool. As you can see right now, GJ take this high right here, and now it makes a wick for a continuation. Actually, GJ looks pretty good. Nice, it's so cool. Okay, the last 5 minutes for this candle, we need closure above this area right here. But as you can see, we don't take this low, we don't take this low, I mean these lows right here. So this can be an impulsive move right here. 28 pips. Yeah, probably we can impulse move, but with a less risk. Probably 05 above this right here. Yeah, it probably can be cool. 25 stop. And this is safer for me because I don't want to lose full amount of money on this kind of trade, because when you go for an impulsive moves, we don't know where this candle close, so we got this range. It's not okay for us to go full risk on this trade if we don't know where this candle is gonna go. So let's put this buy stop right here, and we got prepared for the 15 minutes candle to close. If it closed bullish, or even better bullish above this range, we'll buy once again with the same lot to get the full risk on this position. If it not, well, we have to wait the 1 hour to close above it, and probably then we can go and buy with the same stop loss, and it will be pretty good above this level right here, because we can actually see that if 1 hour closed above here, we close above this resistance on 4 hour and on 1 hour. So yeah, kind of pretty cool. All right, all we have to do is to wait at that point and just to anticipate what the candles are telling us. Okay, so GJ start to move up. Let's see if we can take I'm going to take actually a position on GJ right here. How many pips did we got left? 15 pips. Yeah, pretty cool. But nah, I don't know. 4 hour is bullish with these candles right here on upside, but I don't know if it's a good range to feel that out. Yeah, I don't know. It looks good for me, and also okay, gold start to break almost below this level right here. 30 minutes it closed like I mean no, 15 is closed. It's about to close bearish on it, but probably we can take for this correction right here, we have no more bullish volume on this 1 hour time frame. Okay, it left us, and also in 30 minutes we break below this support right here, and at this 15-minute time frame we break below this. Okay, so we got 1 minute left. Let's see if we can continue moving down until this price right here, probably, and let's see how it goes. Okay, got around 25 pips, 20. Yeah, let's see if we can be like, I don't know, below this area. Okay, it just flipped back. It's kind of mess on gold right now. We have 2 seconds left and it closed bullish. Yeah, I don't know. Right now it's not a strong bullish candle, so yeah, let's see. Let's wait. We can wait right now. We better wait. Okay, GJ closed again. 50-minute close bearish. That's pretty cool. Actually, that's pretty cool. Above this high right here, we got a cool low of around 13 pips. Yeah, 13 pips. and with volume probably we can get around here, but we have to wait. Oh, okay, we have a wick down here. Is this the move on GJ? We got. All right, let's try to buy this. Okay, we got the full lot right here, and one more push and I'll be in this trade. Okay, turn back. $13 pips, okay. Okay, let's see. How is this 5 minutes? Oh, so cool. Yeah, I like it. Pretty nice, yeah. But we need one more push. One more push for this buy on GJ. Let's see if we were right about it. Gold's push even more down. Okay, GJ start to kind of push. I'm on the buy button right here. Okay, we are in. Let's see what if it does right now. We are in this trade. Like right now, there are two possibilities. So the first one is that on the last 1 hour minute, which are now, it can push further up to break this high right here. Okay, so we can move like 15 pips, or it can leave a top wick, which won't be so good for us. So we got 2 minutes for this 5-minute candle to close, and probably we'll see right there how it goes. But it push, we push, we break this high right here. We are pretty high, but it's a pretty good momentum, and it moves very good bullish. All right, let's see on gold. Yeah, gold push, so down. Okay, it's pretty cool for gold right here. All right, let's see the GJ. Let's see if we can break above these candles right here and continue, as I said, above this week, and to focus this right here, this week right here. Okay, this is our target, or weekly, and I mean weekly and daily targets, yeah, at the top of the weeks. All right, yeah, it's a pretty interesting entry right here. I can say that we bought it so high, but it's kind of pretty cool. On 15 minutes that we don't break through the lows, and it's okay. It's okay. If this 5-minute candle close like that bullish, yeah, it will be pretty cool. Okay, gold right here starts to drop a bit. So for me to buy gold right now, it's probably, we can see this this resistance right here, which is, well, it's pretty cool. But let's see, custom. All right, so this is our color for custom. Let's customize this again. Fill this. Okay, good. So we have this resistance right here. So probably this will be the perfect zone for us. I mean, for me to buy again the gold, and we have enough range for it to to drop and then to form a bullish candle on 15 minutes time frame for a continuation on higher time frames. Okay, let's see right now. All right, so we closed a very good bullish candle on GJ, which is pretty cool right now. It's I like this pattern right here, this the way the candle are closed right now, and yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right, let's see how it goes. Alright, how I manage the trade right now is that on 5 minutes, if we break below this resistance, this candle right here, if it breaks below this candle, I will cut around 50%, half of the position right at that point, and then I'm letting the rest run to continue moving and to see what it does. So this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, pretty cool. Alright, it's important to us to not being stuck um, in this right here. Okay, so let's see. We have pretty much a bearish movement right now. So I'm going to cut 50% of this position and to minimize my risk. Why I have okay, so I forgot about this order right here. It's okay. Um, Alright, so we have 6 more minutes for this candle to close on 15 minutes. Right now it breaks a little bit below this candle, but I think it can go more down, like it's not a big deal. I will cut again 50% if this low will be taken, okay, because it didn't go the way I think. So actually let's wait right now. Every time it's a probability that the candles will go against us. So this is pretty cool and okay, because this is trading. Okay, right now we can cut again 50%, and let's see and adjust the stop loss. Yeah, I think it's pretty bearish at that point. So I'm closing another 50%. It didn't go the way I want. Okay, so let the rest run. All right, let's take a look right now on the gold. So gold comes down right here. This is the 50-minute time frame. We got this push down. It pushed so good, but we have to wait to see the perfect time we can buy this market right here. But anyway, the shorts on gold that we discussing about that we talking about earlier were okay. The only thing I don't like was this 5 minutes time frame candle, because it closed bullish in this range again. So yeah, I didn't like it. I thought about a very impulsive move from here. So yeah. Okay, GJ, at that point I'm not going to cut GJ again. So the loss for today is 21 euros. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, okay. So gold comes in our area right here. It comes down. So cool. Now, in my opinion, the best stops can be here at that point, around 30 pips. But yeah, I think it can be pretty cool. We have 2 more minutes for 1 hour candle to close. At that point, we have to wait. Perfectly fine. For hour, it's still bullish. The one thing I can see right now is that we don't feel this week, and break we don't break it. Yeah, which is not pretty good. We kind of came back in this range right here, but we have to wait. Oh, almost. We have 1 more minute to wait here. Actually, right now, I have maximum of my daily loss here, and I don't know if I really want to enter in this trade, to be honest. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Right now, I'm waiting probably this right here. Um, this trade right here, I'm holding it and probably adding position at it, because and move the TP around here, because we got these clean traffic. And probably if I'm adding position at the hourly close here, okay, which is pretty cool. 30-minute close, pretty cool at this that bearish candle right here. If it don't take this low, and it take this the high, I think it will be pretty good. It will be pretty good. And in the Asian section we can continue moving up at that point. So see, 50-minute candle close bullish. We close bullish with this. We don't take this low. We take the high. Everything it's bullish from weekly to daily to 4 hour, and the target for sure it's here at daily, as we talking about this earlier. Okay, so this can be a pretty good trade. Transform it from scalp trade to a like swing trade, which is not a bad idea. Alright, so at that point gold start to push up. Okay, from here it start to push up. The perfect way for a stop right now is probably right here, which is 14 pips stop. Yeah, this is pretty good. So cool. All right. Okay. God, it was a perfect shot of 20 pips right there. So one thing is sure that we can be sure that gold moves so good around the areas and the zones. Like we marked up this area right here and it just flew when it touched it 20 for 20 pips, which it's a very good amount of pips, to be honest. Yeah, let's try now. Actually, the way that gold is moving right now, I don't know, probably it can go as a deeper retracement and then continue moving up. Probably, I don't know right now if it can have enough power to push up above these candles right here. This will be pretty cool, but if we don't break above these high right here in few seconds, I don't think so we can break above it. And break above, I mean above these areas right here. Let's see how the other candles start to move. Okay, 5 minutes, start to move a bit up. um you don't have the a wick here, but let's see. All right, gold candle close. Okay, probably above this area will be pretty cool. We don't take alone 15-minute time frame. 30 minutes is also bullish at that point. 1 hour close bullish. Yeah, you know what? That it's a. I think it's a pretty good candle. I risk like not that much. 38 pips top, 39, almost 40 pips top loss right here on gold. But I've seen these moves a lot of times and I just like it. I don't know what to say about the trade. I closed GG because I didn't see the potential, as I said, on gold. So to enter tonight, enter that trade is pretty hard for, to be honest. But let's think like an institution. Does we want to buy from here or we want to buy it from here? This is the question. We want to buy from here or we want to buy it from here? This is another question, okay? So everybody, we have to question everything that we do. I mean, everything that we are doing. So what we want exactly to do. Are we afford? Can we afford to lose even 20 more euros from that account? It can be a disaster, but are we like, so do we believe in this analyze right here or we are not? Yeah, we believe. I mean, I believe in it, but I'm not going to enter in another trade. I just lose today. It's a, I don't know. I'm okay with the loss. Okay, so 22 euros is not pretty bad. We got so small losses right here, but I'm not going to enter in another position, even if I've seen this before. Now, because I will not respect my rules. So yeah, I used to enter in so many trades and at 10 plus 10 pips, I'll get out. Okay, so from that point, I lost around, let's just say, maybe even 30% of the account, and it doesn't matter that if it's small or big, I mean the amount of money, but I lost around 20% or 30% of it in like one day, and it's huge. And I don't want to repeat this because I got so stressful at trading, and I thinking about that, how I can make that money back, how I can bring them back, how I can, and this is not good. Okay, so if I lose today 20 bucks, okay, right now I can feel a bit stressful, okay, because oh shit, I lost around 20 euros. Oh my god, it's not that good. How I can make those money back? But tomorrow, if I'm coming back right now, I mean at 5 o'clock, if I coming back and then I sit there and say, okay, so let's see what what is today. So what can we do today to be better than tomorrow? I mean, than yesterday, not tomorrow. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking right now. I mean, I have to trade like a robot, okay? So the more you trade like a robot, the more you get good at it. Like, it's all numbers. You have to be a computer. I mean, it's not that hard to be a computer, but it takes long time and discipline. And discipline comes from like experience, and experience comes from execution, and execution comes from days here in the charts. So I don't I don't say about myself that I'm a good trader, because I'm not where I want to be, but I step forward with little steps, and the good thing is that I'm moving forward, and it's not important how big the step it is. It's important that I'm moving in that direction, okay? So it's pretty cool. And also I make these live streams because it keeps me disciplined, and probably right now more I don't have that much viewers on the channel, but for me it's important that I can learn something from them, and I can watch back and say, hey look, I take these moves. Hey look, that was the time when I got 500 in my account, which is okay. We all have start we all have to start somewhere. We like, I don't have that much money right now to trade a $10,000 euro account, but it's so good, and I don't complain about it. I love it. I love this account for real. And I recommend to everybody, if someone is watching, I recommend that to start with so low money on the trading, because the one thing is real that I learned, it's we are not prepared to lose a big amount of money from the beginning. We have to take it slow, and to understand that it's not about the amount of money we have in our accounts, it's about the consistency and the comfort level that we execute a trade. And your comfort level at trading comes from experience, and we repeat those steps that I'm talking about later on. So I mean, not later on, I mean earlier. Okay, so it's pretty cool. This move right here, this move, okay, I've seen it yesterday right here on 30-minute time frame. Okay, right here it comes down here at that area, and I say, okay, it's a pretty good buy right now, and it flew around like 78 pips. This time, let's just say I don't have money left to trade with, but it was amazing. The way the candle moves was exactly that I'm thinking about. So the candle moves in this direction that I talking about earlier, and then it just flew around 20 pips, which is cool. And at that point, when it breaks this high right now, okay, we break this high, at that point we can say, okay, right now let's just move the stop loss from here, which was probably around 30 pips. Let's just move here, which is around break even. So this is the power of managing positions, and it's pretty cool. And right now we can see we got this candle, this bullish, huge bullish candle right here, and this candle start to to move to move up. Yeah, pretty nice. And we got the clean traffic until here, so it's around 26 pips. But at that point, I'm not taking any trades because I know, okay, I know I can say, well, why you don't take any trade right now? Because these are your money, you can do whatever you want, but for my discipline, I have to stay back, to sit back and understand that if I'm going to entry like this in the next year, okay, of trading, I'll miss moves like this, okay, of 30 pips, and I have to understand that it's not okay to enter in a trade that way that I entered before, okay? So I have to suffer right now inside, like, and watch this thing flew up. I hope this thing goes to the moon for real, because at that point I'll understand that, hey, probably it was better to wait, sit back, relax, and watch the candle moves, and then to anticipate to enter in it. Okay, but it's perfectly fine. This is so good. Let's see the move. Okay, let's have the I don't know. Let's sit back and watch how it's going to play, because this is a move right now, okay? This is an opportunity. But we know that the market repeat itself, so we will get them. Later on, we will get them, and with a very big, like, with a much, with more money than now, okay? And then the satisfying will be so cool. But we have to wait. Right now, I'm not going to do any trades, and the time I left the desk, it's in about 15 minutes, in at 18:30 I'll be out. It was a pretty cool day for real. And yeah, if these candles will start moving up from now, my target my target will be on, let's just say, 4 hour. So on 4 hour will be somewhere like here, 1769. So 1768, let's say 1768, 50. Okay, and let's just say target for buys. Okay, this is our target for buys. I don't know where it says, like, it says on it or something. I don't know where it is. Description target for buys. Yeah, I don't know, but we know that at 70.65 it's our target, because it's the 4 hour horizontal line here. Pretty cool. All right. Okay. Yeah, it was a very cool trade right here. I don't know where that came from. Like, I think it's from here. Yeah, probably it's for here. From here, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. I can see many rejection at that point, so all right. Yeah, and about these candles right now, yeah, these are pretty cool. For the short term, you know, the targets will be right here, then right here, then right here, and then here, right? These are the targets for these are the targets for long, which is a pretty cool, um, which are pretty cool targets. I like the 1 hour time frame right now. Uh, that we rejected this area right here, which was rejected here, and the target right here is the same. So pretty cool rejection. Let's see how it plays. Okay. Oh, I love the I like the 1 minute time frame. Like we have this correction drop right here. Okay, it was a drop, then the breakout, now the retest. But on 1 minute time frame, I'm not trusting these candles. Like it's not so strong. Okay, I trust it if we are coming back again and then push up. But no, right now I don't trust it. I mean, it depends on the higher time frames, but at that point I don't want to trust one or two candle on 1 minute. But it looks nice for real. And we also have clean traffic until this point right here. So it's not it's not bad. It's not bad though. So cool. Lovely day. Alright, GJ. Okay, so I think it was a pretty cool like pretty cool exit here before it actually took our stop. Okay, so we got a stop around here and we closed it here. Yeah, pretty nice. So cool. Like we closed it here, here and here. Yeah, so nice, so nice. And on gold, we got these right here. Okay, not these, but these right there. Yeah, that's what's the trade. Pretty cool. Okay. Um. Cool. Alright, so we have 5 more minutes until 18:30. Yeah, I really see gold rushing through all this area right here at 85 pips. I really see it that way. And right now I will close the live stream. I will came back probably tomorrow. Okay, and yeah, we'll be here.